Things are changing everywhere, and you thought that YouTube tax would be the worst thing you will find out this week. Well, we'll see about that. There are big changes coming to Udemy that will affect instructor revenue big time. Or will it? From May 3rd, 2021, Udemy is completely changing instructor revenue share model. So everything that you knew before about the revenue share model will not be applicable anymore. So let's talk about that. If you have gone to your Udemy dashboard from March 12, 2021, you would see the message pop up on the Udemy dashboard telling that some changes are coming. Clicking on a link will take you to a Udemy article explaining everything that is happening. So let's just break down this article to decide whether this will affect us Udemy instructors in a big time or not. The biggest change they announce is the cancellation of paid and organic channels of sales. No, they're not gone completely, but they're changing it big time. In the past, if someone would come to Udemy and search for the course and find your course and buy it, you would get 50% of the sale. Or alternatively, if someone else would come from the Udemy ad or through affiliate channels, you would get 25% from the sale. But Udemy decided that these revenue models are actually not fair to instructors and decided to mix them completely. And now they're introducing the mix of organic, affiliate, and ads channel, which they call blended channel. And they will pay only 37% from the sale from the blended channels, effectively decreasing the revenue share from organic channels but increasing revenue share from paid and affiliate channels. I won't lie to you, at first this news scared me. I thought that this would decrease our revenue significantly. But after I did some calculations, it's actually not that bad. And I will give you an example based on my own revenue. I did my calculations based on February 2021 revenue and some previous months as well, but they all gave me the same results. So I'll be talking about the February results because the results overall are the same. With an old model of revenue share, which is still active at the moment of the recording of this video, I made $499.50 in February, approximately. But if the newer model was active, meaning that I would get paid 37% in organic sales and 37% on affiliate and ad sales, I would get $520. Yes, I would have made more with the new model than with an older one. And in every other month that I calculated, I was making more with a newer model than with an older one. Some months it was much more, some months it was just a little more. Overall, if you count all margins of error, I think the newer model will generate exactly the same amount of money, if not a little bit more than compared to the older model. Oh, by the way, your promotions will not change. You will still get 97% from the sales coming your own channel. So this thing will not change at all. However, one thing that bothers me is not the change in the revenue model. It's the complete cancellation of Udemy Marketing Boost program. So that means that Udemy will not promote your courses through ads like they used to anymore. At least not in the same way. It's a little bit unclear how these promotions will work from now on and what they will change Udemy Marketing Boost program with. But still, the only thing that we can do is wait and see what will happen. And one more thing that they added in this article is the expansion of Udemy for Business program. From now on, they open this program to an individual learners. That means that anyone who wants to pay for Udemy for Business, now they can do it. This concerns students, of course. And instructors who are in Udemy for Business program will be paid based on the minutes watched. I think that's how they get paid. So does this mean that Udemy for Business is now worth it for instructors? No. Despite Udemy for Business opening up to a wider audience, it still does not guarantee that your course will be accepted in this program. Accepted or not, you will still be bound with an exclusivity requirement when you opt in this program. So until they will guarantee your course acceptance in the program, or until they will cancel the exclusivity requirement before they will choose your course, it's still not worth it. Overall, how these changes will affect us. To be fair, based on numbers that I've seen, it should not be a big effect on our growth. However, the cancellation of Marketing Boost program complicates things a bit because we don't know what it will be replaced with. I guess we just need to wait and see what will happen and trust Udemy that they will make a sound judgment based on interests of its instructors. All we can do now is just wait and see. Well, this will be it for this video. Don't forget to hit this beautiful subscribe button if you want more videos like this one. And if you want to continue watching interesting content, click this recommended video right there. I'm gonna see you in the next one. See ya.